I'm sure you've heard of heat maps, but do you care? I'm Brandy Lawson with Fiery Effects, and today I wanted to chat about heat maps, what they are, and why you do care about them. As you may have heard about heat maps, they are a way to track what a user is doing on a web page. So analytics are great because they allow us to know where the user came from and what they clicked on. But there's something that happens between when they arrived on the page and when they clicked on an action that we can't see without heat maps. So heat maps allow us to see the user's behavior, what they're choosing, where they're spending their time, like where their eyeballs are going while they're on a web page. And that can be powerful information, especially for landing pages. Heat maps can help us answer questions like, what do you feature on your homepage? And why isn't this page converting? In fact, we've used heat maps on landing pages. There's a free opt-in landing page that was converting at 92%, which is very good. Once we had a heat map on it, we found that users were clicking on this thing that we didn't think they should be clicking on, but they were, and we changed that to be clickable, and it converted at 97%. So it's true. Users are unpredictable. Sometimes people do things where we would never predict it, and heat maps help us see that behavior and then accommodate what's happening, or either smooth the path or change things up and know how to make things a better experience. Heat maps are one of the tools that we use to increase the value of the website that is your business asset. If you would like more information about using heat maps or how to make your web page and landing pages better converting, check us out at fieryeffects.com.